What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Preston Wear, and today I got another video for you guys. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Jaden Smith Syre hoodie that I ordered online. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh yeah, so this is how it came. It's kind of fast. There's nothing else in the box. And here's the paper. I ordered in the size medium. This is a Syre tour hoodie, fawn medium. This is what it looks like when you get it out the box. Ooh, it's fire. It's fucking fire. Look at that. And then look at the back. Oh, I fucking love this hoodie. It was $70 with shipping. So yeah, the hoodie was $60 and then $10 of shipping and processing. But yeah, I like it. Ooh, there's fire right here. Ooh. So yeah guys, I will throw it on for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope you like and subscribe. Follow me on social media at Preston Wear. I will link it down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Alright guys, so this is how I style it. You got the hoodie right here. Then I have this long shirt from long line shirt from H&M. Then I have my denim jeans with my Reebok Classic. This is more of like a chill type of vibe, you know. I'm not trying to do too much today. So yeah, hope you guys like the hoodie. Hope you guys like the video. I'll show you the bag. I would say on the sizing of it, I would say go true to size. But if you like to go like an oversized type of look, then I would say size up, because I went true to size. This is a medium and it fits perfect. But now if I wanted to go a little bit, you know, baggier and stuff, then I would have to go a large. But I didn't because I didn't want to. So yeah,